Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's a look at your NBC3 forecast. And as we look ahead today, we're going to have some occasional rain showers. Temperatures between 40 and 45, most spots in central New York, although we could make 45 to 50 in spots across parts of the area to the south. And while we're watching wetness and melting and milder weather in central New York, I'm concerned very far northern New York for ice accumulation. Now, I don't expect this to be many places in our viewing area. In fact, it's the minimum. But first of all, it's Friday and a weekend, so maybe you have some plans to travel north. It is getting towards a holiday. I'm going to mention some places that I'm pretty concerned about. Alex Bay, Gouverneur, Canton, Clayton, Messina. Maybe Watertown and Copenhagen. Those are the best chances of getting ice accumulation that would be noteworthy and notable and potentially a big problem. Everywhere else in central New York, it's wet. Now, we also have a flood watch in effect for western New York and north central New York because we're going to actually get quite a few doses of rain between now and Sunday. Of course, we had lake effect snow. That's a lot of melting, so there could actually be some issues on some area rivers and streams in low-lying areas. There is not a flood watch in effect for Syracuse or Ithaca or Cortland or Utica, by the way, at least as of right now. Just as we're melting everything, we actually may get just enough fresh snowpack and snowfall from Monday into Tuesday from some minor lake effect to still whiten up the ground for St. Nick. So here we go. There's this tricky front. We talked about this yesterday. On this side of the front, the winds are south to southwest. On this side of the front, it's north by northeast. And that north by northeast wind is going to be dragging all the way up from Ontario and Quebec some much colder air into those areas that I mentioned before, near and especially north of Watertown. That northeast wind will get funneled down the St. Lawrence Valley, which is actually in a northeast to southwest orientation. So it's very easy for that cold air to sink in, and it's going to be able to really very easily drop south, at least into the North Country. So let's watch the map here. Again, there's your wind action, and I'll take that off now so you can see everything else. Again, massive melting for central New York through Sunday. Today, it's snow and a mix up north. There may be 1 to 3 inches of snow. Note the temperatures 40 to 45 Syracuse, 45 to 50 to the south, 28 to 34 up north. I actually think the best chance for notable freezing rain / ice. Remember, freezing rain is precipitation that literally falls as drops of rain. But then the floor, the trees, the cars, the roads, the power lines are cold enough, 28, 29, whatever the temperature is, that it actually freezes. So it's like taking water and pouring it into an ice box or the freezer, and the water will eventually then freeze on contact. And that makes like a skating rink kind of effect. And there you go. There's your St. Lawrence River Valley worst action. The steadiest precipitation for the North Country is tonight into tomorrow morning. You can see we actually have some regular rain showers. It'll take a break a bit tomorrow afternoon. Then tomorrow night, another batch of heavier rain central New York and ice up to the north. That's why I'm concerned about that St. Lawrence Valley as being the worst chances, or the worst hit and the highest chances for that to happen. There's your sun forecast, little to none. Probability is sky high for precipitation everywhere today, tonight, and Sunday. And then as this system exits, we will get a northwest wind, probably good enough for some snow showers, maybe just good enough to get an accumulation for that white Christmas we probably still all want, or most of us want. Now, it's going to get pretty cold around here too, by the way, in the 7-day forecast. Notice Tuesday, not out of the 20s. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Make it a great day.